So today we will learn how to make coffee filter art. All we need is markers, coffee filters, a bowl of water, and we're all set. So this coffee filter art is going to have a tie-dye effect to it. So let's get started and have some fun. Okay, so we're going to start off by taking a coffee filter like this, and we're just going to flatten it out as much as possible so we have a flatter surface. Then we're going to take our markers. Any brand is fine. Usually washable tend to work better, and it's a lot cleaner so we don't make a mess or stain our hands. Okay, so I'm going to start out with red. And usually thicker areas of color tend to blend best to give a tie-dye effect. So I'm just going to start out by making a circle in the middle. And you really want to press down on the marker to give a darker effect so it turns out better when we have our finished product. Okay, now I'm going to take my bowl of water and put it in front of me like such, and take my filter and I'm going to dip it in. Might kind of have to move it, and it's going to stain the water. So you don't want to leave it soaking for too long. And then I'm just going to pick it up. Move my bowl, and then I'm going to place it down, and I'm going to leave it to dry. And then we'll check back in about like 10 minutes to see our final product. This is the final product of my coffee filter art after waiting 10 minutes for it to dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and take care.